Located in the outskirts of town, the bamboo train, or nori, is essentially a bamboo flatbed on wheels, which is powered by a small motorcycle or tractor engine. The rail line stretches all the way down to the capital of Phnom Penh, but the tracks lie in complete abandon and disrepair, meaning the bamboo ride only runs 7 kilometers in length to a nearby village and back. The bamboo train was the first stop along our tuk-tuk tour of the Cambodian countryside. The government has plans to rebuild the rail lines all the way to the Thai border in the northeastern part of the country, and all the way south to the beach town of Sihanoukville. That being said, this project was aimed to be completed several years ago, and that is still in the works, so maybe there is no rush after all. Sitting on straw mats that has been laid over the bamboo platform, I held on to whatever I could and the contraption quickly began to pick up speed. This thing can go up to 40 kilometers an hour. I peeked down through the cracks at the rail tracks below, but it was all a blur of color and sound. I had to yell to be heard, but even then the wind carried half of my words away.